today is February 21st of 2026. Yeah, 2026. The course is Programming 2. Yep, that's what it's called, I think. The course is Programming 2, and was there anything else I needed to do? And we're doing the pig assignment. That's it, yeah, pigGame, as you can see there. But essentially, it's the pigGame. I don't know what else to say. How the program works is I have a couple functions, that being CPU play. No, I need to fix that actually real quick. Hold up. There we go. So we have CPU play, and game. So essentially what the play does is it makes it so that the round going is true and the round score is 0. Bank is set to no, or you could really place that with anything other than yes and it'll be fine. But so what it does is it rolls a random number between 1 and 6, and if dice, the random number that is a 1, nope, I would like you to like stay active, please. But if it's a 1, round going is false, it's over, and it prints, you roll a 1 to tell you. Returns 0. So, but if not, it adds that to your score, and it asks you if you would like to bank in this line here, line 17, I think. And if it's yes, it returns the round score. It's pretty simple. It also has a while loop that while the game is going, it's true, and if you do any of these, it's essentially sets it to false, but return just shuts off the method. That's it, yep, method, or function, or whatever you want to call it. CPU play is essentially the same, except instead of this bank input line, we have if round score is bigger than 14. So if it would rather take the round score over 14, it'll set the game going to false, which I don't think it actually needs to do that, but it just does, and it returns round score. Now, what the game is it sets the end player and end CPU variable to 0. What those variables are those are the what's it called? The score in general, and if they're both, I put or there, and that did not work because it would like one didn't work, and the other one it was like, yep, this one's going, so the game's still going, but it should be over, so it's and. You need an and, not an or. But if it would rather eat the 99, and I figured out that doing this is the same as doing the plus equal, essentially, in theory at least. It prints out the play, and after every round, it prints out your score, and it prints a blank line, which is essentially just hitting enter. So it's a new line to make it look pretty. End CPU and hold up. Right, and then it just has these two lines, that being line 46 and 43. What they do is end player equals end player plus play, which it returns when the game play. It sets the game. It returns that value, so it adds what the play was to the end player, and same thing with the CPU play. I'm pointing, but you can't see that. It prints, this is my score, and it prints, this is your score. And then if... Wait a minute, I feel like that would... Hold up. I need to add a... If end player... Oh yeah, that'll work. Hold up, sorry, I'm just thinking to myself. So, let me check the boy's face. Yeah, I'll just show you that it works and that it ain't broken. Okay, we both roll 1. So it's a 3. I probably spelled a lot of stuff wrong, and that's fine though. It'll be fine. And I rolled a 1. Let me just expand this, make it easier. They have an 18. That happens sometimes. I don't know how that happens or how I fix that. But you go and then you type in yes, and it banks for you. Then that just goes on until, nope. Okay, I lose, as you can see. I have lost. It tells me that I lose. If I win, it says that I win. I've tested this a lot, and yeah, I think that's everything. Yeah.